Welcome vegan. Today I'm going to show you how I maintain my twists while they're still in for some time. So make sure you are subscribed, like, share this video, and yeah, you're going to learn a lot today. I thought that I should mention that my hair is already washed. So first of all, I go in with my leave-in treatment. It really comes a long way in terms of maintaining and reducing the frizz and all that. So I took some amount, then I start applying all over my twists. I don't know, for some reason it feels nice when you apply it, but I normally do it for just for extra protection. Let me put it that way. And also it smells nice, just for me, honestly, it's just like an extra TLC for my hair, especially when it's in twists, because sometimes they get itchy and all that. So after washing, I love to go in with the leave-in treatment, let's just put it for protection and all the good stuff. So I'm just going to massage it in nice and good, make sure all my hair strands are have absorbed the leave-in treatment. And yeah, I'm just going to add some more because I feel like I need to. I have really thick hair, so sometimes you just have to be sure. And also I have to go in on my scalp, baby. For some reason, you guys should try it actually on the scalp. It feels so good. I won't even lie to you. Your hair feels moisturized, it feels clean. Sorry, and it also feels, I don't know, fresh. There's a fresh type of feeling that comes with applying leave-in on your scalp, yeah? And also it really hydrates the scalp to a certain level. I cannot even explain, but you guys should try it. It feels so good. Next up, I like to look for the twists that have unraveled. So I normally do my best to look for each and every strand so that I can repair it, because I know when you're washing your hair, sometimes the twists will unravel, which is okay. It's normal. There's no big deal. So I just go ahead and repair the ends which have come out. And yeah, after that you'll just be good to go, and we'll move on to the next step. Let's take some time and appreciate how clean my scalp looks. Like, I scrubbed the shit out of my scalp because it was so itchy. I have been neglecting my hair, I won't even lie to you, for the longest time now, but yeah. Next up, we'll be oiling my scalp and hair, and for this I'm going to use this hair oil that I received as PR a while back. It's called the Hair Growth Elixir. I hope you guys can see it. It's so beautiful. It smells nice. It has a minty type of feel on your scalp, so that's why I really love it, and I recommend it. So I'm going to link the page on my description, so make sure you check it out. So I'm going to split my hair into sections just because it's easier for me to oil my hair that way, and I'll make sure that I've completely saturated my scalp and my hair strands fully with oil in this method. Yeah, so I'm just going to split my hair into sections. Look at how healthy they look. Yeah, so here you see me oiling the back of my scalp. Literally, there's no formula to that, honestly. So yeah, I'm just making sure that my scalp is first saturated with oil, then later I'm going to oil the strands of my hair. So here you just see me oiling and all the good stuff. Yeah, so now I'm taking some oil on my hand, just a small amount really, you don't need a lot. So I just rub it on my hand, and then I make sure I've like stretched out my hair. As you can see, I stretched out. I make sure that I've massaged in the oil, just for the good feel and the good vibes and all that. So after that's done, I'll slightly massage my scalp. I think you've seen, and you can see like I still hadn't finished like retwisting the ones which had unraveled. So that's why I also work in sections. It helps me a lot when it comes to fixing my hair. So after that's done, I just continue picking out sections and then separating it from the other bundle. And I'm so sorry, I have a cold. And I'll just do the rest of the same steps as I've done at the back. All my scalp, all my hair, then yeah. We are now at the front. I really concentrate at the front because Yo, my scalp at the back and at the front, I do not understand what the difference is. Like my scalp on the front is so dry compared to the back, so I put more attention there because I also itch more on the front. So yeah, so I really work in smaller sections. I think, let me put it that way. I work in smaller sections when I come to the front, sorry. So after I'm done oiling, like you can see, I use a tan sheet of oil over there because hey, child, we don't want dry scalps over here, so I make sure it's completely saturated and massaged in, just for the vibes and the good things and and all the good benefits. So after that's done, I look for the ones which are unraveled again and retwist them. So now I'm done oiling my hair. It feels so good and clean and fresh. Like, you guys tell me in the comment section, like, how do you feel when you immediately, like, you've done your hair? I normally feel like a new person, to be very honest. I feel like a new person, like I've evolved from somewhere. It's a new beginning for me. So yeah, besides the point, it's now time for styling. If you feel like you need to dry your hair more, you can just leave it out or use a blow dryer to fasten the process. But for me, I was heading out and I didn't have the time. So I did a half down, half up kind of thing. Really not complicated because yeah, I just felt like doing it. And you guys tell me, can I be a cute dreadhead? Because I feel like I can really look good in dreadlocks. I'm always tempted to put dreadlocks, but I don't know, school can't, and I'm still in my parents' house. Anyway, you guys tell me, can I look good in dreadlocks? But honestly, I feel like I can look good. So here I'm just doing some few touch-ups and all that shit and all that good stuff. Then yeah, we're good to go. So guys, this is it for the final thing. I just wanted to show you guys how you can actually take care of your mini twists while you still have them, so that you can last longer with them and all that good stuff. So make sure you are subscribed, please. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. And that's it for today, so bye.